Just Jamie Warner.
Well, it took all day, but we finally wrapped up the day with this. Clear skies here in Springfield. This is actually in Miami, Oklahoma, but here in Springfield we have clear skies. Looking off to the west, you can see the setting sun. 40 degrees, winds light out of the west, 6 miles per hour. Temperatures were just sort of stuck in the upper 30s to low 40s all day long, thanks to the cloudy skies, which are now beginning to shift east out of the area. And it looks like this evening we should see skies clear out just about area wide. Now, we will see another wave of clouds move in, and it could come with a chance for some snow flurries for some of us. You can see the swirl in the atmosphere right here. This is what we've been watching for all week long. So we've got this pocket of stormy weather, and that's going to be dropping toward the south and southeast, and it looks like it will spread some cloud cover into areas, especially north and east of Springfield, and it will also spread the threat of maybe a few snow showers or snow flurries into areas from Morgan County southeast across Dent County. Outside of that, really not looking at any exciting weather going through this upcoming weekend, and that's good news. That means we're looking at a fairly nice forecast for you, although it will be chilly on the front end of the weekend forecast. Here's a look at our hour-by-hour forecast for this evening. Clouds move out for the most part, and then after midnight, we're going to find clouds moving back in, at least in areas north and east of Springfield, although I think here in Springfield we're probably going to have a spell of partly to mostly cloudy skies close to sunrise, maybe through sunrise, and then those clouds will make a quick exit off to the east. It will take longer to get rid of the clouds in this area, but we should see sunny skies developing there by the afternoon hours, and we will wrap tomorrow up with clear skies area wide. As far as that snow potential, again, it's these counties I have shaded in blue, areas like Morgan County, down through Camden County, and then east southeast across Dent County. Little to no impact out of that. Temperatures tonight dropping into the upper 20s where we have clear skies. Areas where I think we're going to see that next wave of cloud cover, temperatures will likely settle out in the low 30s. Tomorrow, temperatures ranging from looks like around 40 in Rolla, 41 in Fort Leonard Wood, here in Springfield 42, but areas to the south, especially near and south of the state line, should top out in the mid-40s. And Sunday looks gorgeous. We're going to have a cold front sneak across the area early in the day, but it's going to have virtually no impact on our weather. We're going to find sunny skies on Sunday, and temperatures across the area look to be about 10 degrees warmer than what we find on Saturday. That means a nice pop in temperatures. The developing pattern that we're going to find, I talked about this yesterday, the developing pattern that we're going to find later next week through the middle of the month will look like this. It will feature a trough in the western U.S., a pretty stout ridge here in the southeastern U.S. That's going to mean warmer than normal conditions across many areas east of the Mississippi River, and we're going to sample some of that here in the Ozarks. This is also a pattern that favors stormy weather across the eastern U.S. Because we are going to have this sort of semi-permanent frontal boundary that's going to be sort of wobbling around across this region. And this is going to lead to an area of very wet conditions, stormy conditions, especially across the deep south into the middle Atlantic. I would not be surprised if we don't see some severe weather out of this to our south. And depending on that storm track, if it is a little further north than it's looking right now, there could be some potential of maybe some thunderstorm activity and maybe even a low-end chance for some severe weather like we saw this past weekend trying to sneak back into our area. Don't see it just yet, but that's a possibility. Again, this is late next week through the following week or through the middle of the month. Also, winter weather is going to be tough to come by. The pattern just does not support a lot of cold or winter weather. Temperatures should remain near to above normal. I still think we're looking at colder weather. It's just going to hold off until later in the month. We're going to have to get that trough in the west to eventually push off to the east, and I think that colder than normal pattern may extend through the month of February into March. There's your 7-day forecast. Nothing colder than normal there. Temperatures, again, chilly on the front end of the weekend. Not bad for January on Sunday. A little bit of a cool snap Monday into Tuesday, and then warms back up middle of next week. All
right, nice to have the sunshine out for most of the weekend for us,
yes,
too. What is our Viewers Club number?
Number tonight is 205-711, and our jackpot is $200.
All right, Jamie, thank you. Up next, how far